Lots of people want to lighten their skin for a variety of reasons. This video will give you lots of tips and advice on how to make your skin lighter, including fading unwanted freckles, sunspots, and blemishes, using these home remedies. 1. Make a lemon mask. A mask will let the acidic part of the lemon slowly seep into the pores and gradually change the complexion of the skin. For a skin lightening mask, mix together 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, a tablespoon tomato juice, a tablespoon cucumber juice, and 1 tablespoon sandalwood powder into a paste. Apply to the skin and let sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water and moisturize. You can also make lemon exfoliator to whiten your skin. Mix together 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 1 egg white, and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Massage exfoliant into skin using gentle circular motions. Gently scrub or let rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse with warm water and moisturize. 2. Try coconut water. Coconut water is said to lighten the skin while also leaving it soft and subtle. Try dipping a cotton ball in the coconut water. Then wipe the liquid over your face or any other area you wish to lighten. No need to rinse off. You can also try drinking coconut water to hydrate the skin from inside out. Coconut water is a great source of essential minerals and is also low in calories. 3. Use aloe vera. The sap of the aloe vera plant is a very soothing natural substance which helps to heal burns and other skin wounds. It is also very moisturizing and encourages skin rejuvenation, which can help to fade any dark patches and lighten skin. Break off the leaf of an aloe vera plant and rub the gel-like sap all over the area you wish to lighten. Aloe vera is very good for your skin, so you can use it as often as you like with no fear of side effects. 4. Try raw potato. The juice from a raw potato is said to have mild bleaching properties, which naturally lighten skin due to the high quantities of vitamin C. Vitamin C is found in many lightening products. All you need to do is cut a raw potato in half and rub the exposed flesh on the skin that you wish to lighten. You will need to repeat this frequently in order to see any significant results. Other fruit and veg which are said to produce the same results are cucumbers and tomatoes, which also contain high levels of vitamin C. 5. Use turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that's popular in Indian cooking. It's been found that turmeric inhibits melanin production, the pigment responsible for darkening skin, and can help suntan skin go back to its original color. To use, make a mask containing a half teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and 2 teaspoons of cucumber juice. Spread it on the area you wish to lighten. Let it sit for 15 minutes before rinsing off. The turmeric may stain your skin slightly yellow, but don't worry, it will soon fade away.